Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing about Samsung Galaxy A11. Samsung is planning to overcome the losses in budget range, especially in 10,000 to 15,000 range because Xiaomi, Realme and Oppo have huge market shares within that price segment. To stand apart from all these manufacturers, Samsung is planning to do something unique, something different which they have not done till now, a punch hole display at 11,000. Yes guys, you heard it right, a punch hole display with Samsung Galaxy A11. Some more leaks of Galaxy A11 are out. We are discussing the same in the video along with the pricing, expected pricing of Samsung Galaxy A11. We will get quad camera. The megapixel or setup of cameras is not yet confirmed by Samsung, but there will be quad camera in the rectangular shape. Previous leaks suggested that Samsung Galaxy A11 will have 5000 to 6000 mAh battery, but this is not gonna happen. After FCC listing, Galaxy A11 will have 4000 mAh battery, so we're gonna see 4000 mAh battery with Galaxy A11. A11 is expected to come with base variant of 3GB and 64GB, and there will be another top variant which may consist of 4GB and 128GB or 3GB and 128GB of internal storage. Android 10 and One UI 2.0 out of the box. Chipset is still unknown, but as the leaks suggest, chipset will be powerful than previously used in A10s. We are getting punch hole displays on top left corner, a quad camera, 4000 mAh battery, 3GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So the upgrade from A10s is used in Samsung Galaxy A11. Now let's talk about the pricing of Galaxy A11. We can expect the price of A11 to start at 11,000 to 12,000 for base variant and 13,000 to 14,000 for the top end variant, which could be 4GB and 128GB or 3GB and 128GB. Galaxy A11 seems to be an excellent device if we target the price point in which it's gonna be launching. What do you think about Galaxy A11? Give your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more future updates.